Hello and welcome to the e-training module on COVID-19 responsive behavior. This is a training program to introduce safe practices when schools reopen during the pandemic. Watch this short animation video to familiarize yourself with the precautions that need to be taken. Schools may have shut because of the corona pandemic, but the learning did not stop. And now we can reopen schools once more, but we have to follow the guidelines that government has issued to protect our children from the pandemic.
Yes, we have to be very careful.
We will have to give extra focus on sanitation. To ensure safety, the Gram Panchayat will provide masks, thermal screening equipment, sanitizers and soaps.
We will also require a 1% solution of sodium hypochlorite for sanitizing the school.
Of course, we will definitely provide the required solution so that all surfaces in the school can be timely sanitized and made germ-free.
We will need to arrange taps, water and soap as well so that children can wash their hands.
Toilets and urinals will also have to be cleaned, maintained and repaired.
Sarpanch Madam, we will also need to clean water tanks and repair broken hand pumps.
All right. Let the school management committee start with the cleanup of water tanks and ensure the chlorination of drinking water every day. Sir, please also make a list of all the important tasks to be done and share this with the Panchayat. It's our duty to support the school in every way.
As far as midday meals are concerned, it must be ensured that all cooks and helpers wear masks, aprons and caps. They must cook food in a hygienic manner and maintain proper hand sanitation. Besides, children must be seated 1 to 2 meters apart during lunch.
Also, when children are leaving for home, ensure they leave in staggered groups, not all together, so as to avoid crowding and maintain physical distancing.
As and when required, children will have to be allowed to go and drink water or use the toilet so that these facilities do not get crowded during recess hours.
Children will have to be reminded frequently not to touch each other's masks and not to cough or sneeze at each other even in jest. We must also ensure they do not bully or behave badly with a sick child. Caring for others is as important as observing physical distancing.
During their break, make sure the children only play those games that allow physical distancing and they return to the class only after washing their hands properly with soap. Headmaster sir, we will also arrange for a doctor's visit once every month. We will have to continuously reinforce positive habits and skills on how to protect themselves from the coronavirus among children, their parents, sanitation workers and teachers.
Yes, Sarpanch Madam. If children adopt protective habits like consistently maintaining a distance of 1 to 2 meters, wearing masks, not touching their eyes, nose and mouth, and frequently washing their hands with soap and water, and if proper arrangements are made for safe drinking water, regular hand washing, and clean toilets and urinals, then reopening schools would not be difficult at all.
Remember, our health is a collective responsibility and needs each one's participation. Let's follow rules strictly to safeguard ourselves and the country from the corona pandemic.